Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and how are you doing today? Today, I would like to welcome all my subscriber friends. I really appreciate it when you have opportunity to stop by here and see what I have for today. And I know here lately I've been having more than one for today, and I am trying to catch up. So I appreciate your patience, I appreciate your loyalty, and I most assuredly appreciate each visit that you come by and make a comment and let me know what your favorites are or what your thoughts are about whatever it is that I'm showing you that day or on that video. So today, what are we going to do? Well, we're going to travel. Yeah, it's time to get our traveling box out. We got our Celebrate States, so we're going to see where we're headed to. This box is a monthly box. It's a lifestyle box geared toward traveling, and it only runs $45 a month, and there is shipping. Everything seems to have shipping these days, but we get to go to one of the United States areas, and sometimes we might go like to California a couple of times because it's so big and so much to see, and they can only put 4, 5, 6 items in here. So I'm excited to see where we're going to go this month. And again, this is a great box. It's got lots of things in it. We'll have some goodies to try out, and we'll have usually like a trinket or something that you would pick up, like if you were traveling to that area and you pick up a little souvenir. So, we're going to we're going to Virginia. Virginia is for lovers. Very interesting. Right on top you can see we had our product card, and this has all the information that we need, and this is the lovers box. What is in your Virginia for the lovers box? So this is a Valentine's box. Oh my goodness, I feel like I need to try to get it out for Valentine's Day, and if I do, it'd have to be right now because I am filming on Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. Well, let me tell you, there are going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here. We're going to find a little bit out about Virginia. We're going to have some sights and tastes from there, and this is a very functional box, and let's get in here and see what we have. Now sometimes we get a travel magazine, but I don't see any travel magazine in this particular box. So I don't know if Virginia didn't send them any or they didn't get them in time, but normally we'd get some kind of map or a little like visitor's guide to that state. So I would imagine, since we don't have it in the box, that it didn't make it in time for them, to get it shipped out. But let's get started with the first thing. The first thing is Absurd Snacks from Richmond, Virginia. Here it is, the Absurd Snacks, and it says this was born in a classroom by college students in Richmond, Virginia. They create unique, delicious, and accessible snacks for people with common food allergies. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Y'all know how I have to be careful of that. They use simple yet exciting ingredients like crunchy roasted beans, seeds, and natural sweeteners. Absurd Snacks builds a community around our crazy, delicious, and healthy snacks. And this particular snack information has 210 calories. There's 2.5 servings inside here. And I'm not sure on the ingredients if I can read it there. Looks like we have chickpeas, hyaluronic, canola and sunflower oils, maple syrup, fava beans, and hyaluronic canola and our sunflower seed oil. And looks like we might have, looks like that's the majority. It looks like that there might be some cocoa powder and some honey and some other flavors, I guess, just to give it a flavor. So let's pop in here and see what this is all about. Remember, this is made by students, and so they're doing all their cramming for their finals and all that kind of stuff, and they come up with a bunch of different snacks. So let's just try it out. That's what it looks like on the inside, and you can see some of those beans and stuff that they were talking about. And there's like a handful of them. And I think I'm going to just try one at a time. It's got a maple taste on there. I can taste that. I think these are little chickpeas. Yeah, that's good. And it's crunchy. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy those. Very good. It's not salty. It more has a natural flavor and that maple. I can taste the maple a little bit, and it's not heavy. So, the next item is Integrity Food Group, and this is West Point, Virginia. Oh my goodness, Helen and Jeff Bateman. Am I kin to them? That is my maiden name, Bateman. I'm gonna have to find out. Okay. Helen and Jeff Bateman have been in the specialty food business for over 30 years. It's the Savannah Grace cheese straws is what they have in here. And that's right here. We have the exciting brand new Savannah Grace cheese straws in your box. The name comes from the first name of the oldest and middle name of our second granddaughter. So Savannah Grace. The key is the sharp cheddar together with the quality ingredients and baked slowly till light and crisp. Wow. Well, that's very interesting. Well, we gotta have a taste test, but I guess I need to read the ingredients before I haul off into it. Okay, it's good. For me anyways, and let me show you the ingredients. It's 150 calories, and it looks like there's 4 servings in here. So, and it's cheese sticks, so let's see what it tastes like. This is what it looks like on the inside, and I'm just going to get one little cheese snack out. You know Cheez-Its? You know those little crackers? That's what it tastes like to me. They're good. They've kind of got a little bit more, I guess, crunch to them maybe than the crackers. But it dissolves down really fast. Wow. So they say, we hope you like Mimi and Papa's delicious snacks. So, well, I do. And like I said, I'm interested in their last name. That's very interesting. All right, guys. The next item that I have in here is from Jana Banana, Redstone, Virginia. And that is Jana Banana, and this is with green bananas. And they make it with green bananas. I wonder if you get the mitochondria from that, you know, to help burn calories faster. It's non-GMO. And this one here says coconut. So they may be different flavors. Let's see what it has to say. It says that women-owned and operated Jana Banana snacks and bars are a celebration of life. Bananas are the main ingredient, and they offer plant-based bars full of nutrition. So that is very good. I'll probably like that. But I do think like this one here is like coconut. You see that on there? And then on this one, it says non-GMO, paleo. It says green banana, no sugar added. And of course, this one's non-GMO too. So I think I will try the coconut one. We're getting lots of tasty treats. Ooh, I wasn't expecting it to be chocolatey looking. It does taste like a banana with coconut on it. That's good too. Now, I didn't read the ingredients. Sunripe bananas, coconut, and less than 1% of lime juice. Alright, these are snacks I can eat. I'm liking Virginia. They make up some healthy snacks without having any of that modified stuff in it. Alright, so this was good. It tasted a lot like banana with coconut in it. So like if you used to have a banana coconut drink or dessert, that's what it kind of tastes like. It's very good. Alright, so far we're having a win. The next item is Hannah's Handcrafter, and this is Richmond, Virginia. And this is Hannah and her husband make and sell a variety of elderberry products. All products are certified by Virginia Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. They offer a variety of food, candles, and lotion products. And I'd say this candle might be from their company. Hannah's Handcrafted, I guess that's Powhatan, Virginia maybe? Oh, that smells good. That smells like You know that candy, not the sweet tarts, but the other ones that have the hearts? It smells like that kind of candy, like the little candy hearts that you buy for Valentine's Day. Hold on to your elderberries. Is that supposed to be the elderberry scent? Well, if it is, that's what it smells like. Do they put elderberries in those candies? Oh, that smells good. Oh, that's very nice. It's very sweet smelling, but it's delightful, like candy. All right, guys, let's see what this is. Is this another gift from them? Let's see what's in here. We got it gift wrapped for Valentine's. I'm so happy that I'm opening it on Valentine's Day. Oh, this is elderberry salt scrub. So that's from the same company. So let's open this up and see what it smells like. Now it doesn't smell the exact same as the candle, but you can see the consistency of it, and it's definitely a scrub. So this would be a body scrub. And it doesn't really say, doesn't tell us a lot about it. It's a Epsom salt, Himalayan pink salt, elderberry, cinnamon, cloves, and ginger. Oh, and I could smell the cinnamon and the ginger. That's why it didn't smell like that candle. It didn't have none of that in there. All right, guys, that is pretty cool. And I would have to say this is like a body scrub. So very nice, and it's all natural. Well, I'm just loving this box so far. Are you? This has really been a tasty box. And the last item that we have is Virginia is for Lovers keychain. In 1969, Robin McLaughlin in the Richmond Advertising Agency came up with the slogan, Virginia is for history lovers, thinking it could be adapted to mountain lovers, beach lovers, etc. The agency shortened it to the current and one of the most popular state slogans in the United States. We hope you love your keychain. We don't normally use keychains in our boxes, but this one was perfect for the Valentine month of February. How could it not be? So let's take a look at it. Oh, this is nice and heavy. Oh, looky there. Virginia is for lovers. Wow, and this is heavy duty. This is like a solid. I don't know what it's made out of. But it's not, I don't think it's plastic. I think it's a heavy duty resin or something. But isn't that lovely? Oh yeah, I like that. So very nice. So that is what we got in our box from Virginia. What do y'all think? I like it. I love it, as they say. I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. Yep, they definitely had quite a few nice things in here. What was your favorite? Okay, we have the keychain. Virginia is for lovers. Keychain. Very nice. And then we had the sugar scrub, and this is the elderberry salt scrub. We had the elderberry candle that smells very nice. Like I said, it smells like that sweet, not sweet tart, but the heart candy that you get for Valentine's. The little kids in the little boxes that says to and from. And then we had our banana treats, which are really, really good. And we had our absurd snacks. And we had these delicious cheese straws with the company. The owners that made this has the same name as my maiden name, so I may be related to them. You know, the Batemans came in on, I think, around 1646, and they landed in Raleigh, North Carolina, and they spread out from there. There's a bunch of Batemans in North Carolina, but there's, more, as they spread out. A lot of them went to Alabama, and then my granny and her crew came on into Texas. So that's how we got here to Texas. They migrated from England or Ireland, England area, and then into Raleigh, North Carolina, and then ours migrated to Alabama. Some stayed there, some moved on to Texas. So we've got quite a few relatives all around that southern border area, and I'm sure you all do too, because a lot of people came in Raleigh, North Carolina many years ago. But anyways, that was in my box, and let's see what else they have to say about Virginia. It's the nickname Old Dominion. It's the largest city is Virginia Beach. The capital is Richmond. The state bird is cardinal. The state plant is flowering dogwood. named after Queen Elizabeth. Well, how about that? And one of the first 13 colonies, the Pentagon, located in Virginia, is the largest office building in the world and the birthplace of 8 U.S. presidents. So there's a little bit of history for you, and that's very nice. And I like getting these little cards, and they have that information over here. And if you get the guide and some of the other books that they put in the boxes, then it makes it a great resource for your kids too. This kind of gives you an idea. If you were to go to Virginia and you were to go to these cities, you may find some of these items that you would want to purchase. So you let me know what your favorite item is. And what is my favorite item? We've got to pick it by the snacks. The snacks were all delicious. I don't know if I can pick just one. I don't know. I liked all the snacks. If I had to pick just one, I think I'd pick this one that the students made, this absurd snacks. And then I think I'm going to go with this candle because I love the way it smells. Yeah, it smells really good. And then, of course, I do like this keychain. This was really nice, too. But you let me know what your favorites are. And be sure and check my descriptions for any collaborations, because I do have some out there with giveaways. And, of course, I have some giveaways out there of my own. I got lots of puppies over there that's wanting to play. I'm going to have to wrap this up. But anyways, you check my description, and there's also a discount. You can save 20% with Miss Jackie 20, I believe. I'll have that code up there on the screen. I'll have it down in the description, and you can save on your next box of Celebrate States. And I should have mentioned that in the very beginning, but I was just too excited to get into this box. But that is what we have today for Celebrate States. And as usual, if you can hear me, and as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.